Hi, good morning, guys. Good morning. Today we are going to introduce you
के बजार हो यो
the beautiful
यो बाँके
bridge
कैलाली
of Karnali River. It is actually located at Kailali district, southern part of Nepal. Stay tuned, guys. Then have a look the beauties of the both rivers. Now we are here in the bridge. Okay, you can see the people enjoying with the rafting, and you see the people on the bridge. Most of this traffic is from our neighbor country, India, from UP. They came here for the celebration of 2024, enjoying, making picture, having beauties of the nature, surrounding area. Please stay tuned, then feel the beauties.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Karnali नदीको पुल है कति राम्रो कति अग्लो हो नयाँ वर्ष चाहिँ यसरी मनाइयो है घुमियो 5-6वटा जिल्ला घुमेर नयाँ वर्ष बाँके बर्दिया कैलाली टिकापुर कर्णाली हुँदै Luckily, I have got the chance to enjoy with my UP friend. बोलो अभी बोलो ये मेरा भाई लोग है, सब भाई लोग है अपना यूपी से। ओके, इधर एक कर्नाली पुल में मिला, बहुत अच्छा लगा। ये छोटा भांजा भी है, किधर गया भांजा छोटा भांजे किधर आ छोटा भांजे कर्नाली पुल में मिला ये भांजे। इधर ऊपर मामा के ऊपर ओए ओके अय्या अभी आपको यूट्यूब में दिखने का। ओके बंदा यूट्यूब में दिखने का आपको। ओके अल्लाह आप बोलिए क्या बोलना चाहते हैं, बोलिए सर, बोलिए Thank you, sir. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. God bless you all. Thank you. Jai Hind.
turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Cina?
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ भैया?
I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Now we are heading to Bardia National Park. This park is actually controlled by our respective Nepal army.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be yours.
Look the live crocodiles. They came from the water and staying outside, relaxing.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be yours.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll get the notification once the new video uploaded. We will try our best to show you many beautiful areas of Nepal. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care.